Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'll show you how to screen record in your iPhone using assistive touch. In doing a screen record, the first thing we need to do is enable the screen recording. First, go to Control Center. Just tap the floating menu on your screen, then click Control Center. And as you can see, I already have screen recording as I am currently using this, but I'll show you how to add screen recording in your control center. Now click the plus sign in the upper left corner, then click Add a Control. Find the screen recording, then tap it and it will be added in your control center. When you're ready to record, tap the floating assistive touch button, open Control Center, and tap the screen recording icon to start. If you want to capture your voice or external sounds, press and hold the screen recording icon first, then tap the microphone and select Start Recording. While recording, you'll notice a red status indicator at the top of the screen. To stop, simply tap that red and Control Center again and tap the screen recording button. Once you're done, your video will be saved automatically in the Photos app. And that's it. That's how you can easily screen record in your iPhone using Assistive Touch.